Warning: the EA app is not fully ready for use on Codeweaver's Crossover 23.7. The app will start, run, and log in, but the games will not yet run due to errors in installation. While this is an inconvenience for your EA games on Mac, the EA app will come out on Mac, according to EA, fairly soon, and also the glitches in Crossover will hopefully be ironed out. Coming up next episode will be featured how the Command Conquer Remastered Collection actually works well now on Crossover version 23.7, and the next episode will also feature how to get the game running as well.
Hi everyone, Kaos Nova here, and this is the ending of the video presentation on Kaos Tutorials. And here's the deal: if you want to see more of my tutorials on getting your old games to work on Mac, and you want to see more tutorials on how to do various other tasks, such as very cheap ways to make YouTube videos that still look decent, and much more, feel free to subscribe. And if you want to be among the first to get each video, hit the notifications. And please, if you enjoy liking this, your vote still counts, so please click the like with a big thumbs up. All right, you have a wonderful day, and I'll be signing off.